My name is Daniel. I'm in Year 8.
My name is Robert. I'm in Year 5.
We are here in King's College, Sutherland as a co-educational day and boarding British curriculum school in Madrid.
Our school has over 1,350 pupils.
From pre-nursery to Year 13. Our school is part of King's Group, which has British schools all over Spain, the UK and Panama.
We think it's a great place
We're going to do a chemical reaction.
to make foam.
We're going to use hydrogen peroxide, H2O2. It's like water, just that with an extra oxygen. Hydrogen peroxide decomposes into water and oxygen. To freeze oxygen quickly, we're going to use a catalyst.
Catalyst speeds up a chemical reaction.
Without being consumed itself.
The catalyst we're using is yeast. We take yeast and dissolve it in warm for 1 minute.
This is a graduating cylinder that contains hydrogen peroxide.
Yeah, boy, it burns!
Now we're going to add some food colouring. Put that there.
Now we will add some washing up liquid.
Stir it around a bit. And finally, some yeast.